We're getting live images of Harshvardhan, the health minister, reaching the All India Institute of Medical Sciences in Delhi. He's being given an introduction to all the facilities where vaccination will be taking place. He is at AIIMS at this point and interacting with the team of senior doctors there. We'll get you a ground report in just a moment. The health minister, remember, has been leading the communication strategy of the government as well, asking people not to panic, asking people not to listen to misinformation, and that day is finally here. 3 minutes to go. Only 3 minutes to go before the vaccine rollout begins. The Prime Minister Narendra Modi will be addressing the nation and addressing all of the vaccine centers which will be connected virtually. He will be interacting with the beneficiaries as well. This is the Health Minister conducting last-minute inspections, this time at the All India Institute of Medical Sciences. Ankit, only 3 minutes to go. Harshvardhan, the Health Minister, inspecting the All India Institute of Medical Sciences. These are those last-minute inspections by the senior leadership to make sure that nothing is amiss and everything goes smoothly, Ankit.
Shiv, one of the biggest, in fact, the biggest vaccination drive across the globe. 3 trial runs. First, very limited in 4 states, then All India trial run that we covered, and then, of course, the 3rd trial run before the emergency use approval was given, and Covishield and Covaxin were approved for this vaccination drive. Every trial run was to ensure that all things are put in place. There are no hiccups. In fact, yesterday we spoke both to Dr. Harshvardhan and Dr. Satyendra Jain, the Health Minister of Delhi, both of them quite confident that there would not be any last-minute problem. Harshvardhan there to, at the AIIMS, he will meet Dr. Randeep Guleria as well, and ensure not only that everything goes smooth, but also make sure that he gives some sort of a pep talk to a lot of doctors. Any kind of doubt in the mind of the health workers, of course, because remember, this is voluntary, this entire vaccination process, that, of course, with the presence of the health minister would possibly evaporate. Remember, AIIMS is a central government facility where Covaxin is going to be administered. There is a slight difference into Covaxin and Covishield, Shiv, as earlier you were also speaking to Milan, where Covaxin, anybody who is given a Covaxin jab will also have to sign a consent form, because Absolutely. Covaxin still has not released their 3rd phase data. So it is emergency use approval, though in trial phase. For Covishield, the process slightly simpler, but it is going to be a remarkable day. Almost a complete year of coronavirus, fight against coronavirus, health workers at the front line of this fight. Finally, now there is hope that life as we knew possibly may come back in few months from now. The first phase today in Delhi, Shiv, we have been told that, about 8,100 health workers would be vaccinated today. Overall, the target in the national capital is about 3 lakh health workers.
It's going to be It's going to be a long 7 hours that kicks off in just 1 minute from now. 60 seconds from now is when the Prime Minister is going to conduct that inauguration. So stay tuned.
Hello everyone, this is Rahul Kamal here. Hope you enjoyed this video. For the latest news and analysis, like and subscribe the India Today YouTube channel, and don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated.